Hi friends, welcome to my spring cleaning collab video that I told you guys we were gonna do. I am excited to share with you guys that it is with Jill from Miss Green Eyes. Yay! I have been a subscriber of hers for a very long time. And I am so excited to do this collab with her. Like, I'm totally being a super fan, but I am so excited. I emailed her and I asked her if she'd like to do this collab with me and she said yes. And I was like, oh my gosh, yay! I'm so excited. So yes, I have been really excited to do this video, but it has taken me a few weeks to fully get it done because of life and all. But yes, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Siobhan. I'm the Lazy Housewife and I'd love to have you stay around and like my video and subscribe to me because I need more friends. I am so happy, and if you guys are my subscribers and you've not met Jill yet, you will definitely love her videos. She makes the most motivating cleaning videos ever. She keeps it real and she has a beautiful home. And she's got 2 beautiful kids and she's beautiful herself, and what a fantastic personality she has also. So I know you're just going to fall in love with her too. So definitely subscribe to her if you haven't yet, and let's get to cleaning. All right, you guys, I am so sorry for the beginning of this video being super bad with the lighting, but I wanted to show you guys that each season, not just spring, I like to take down the curtains and give them a good wash because they do collect dust and allergens all through the year. And then now look at this door. This is my front door. This is so disgusting. How did I even not see this? I'm going to use these Miracle cleaning erasers I got from Walmart. It has this little blue plastic piece. I don't know if it's really useful, but I'm going to be getting all this nastiness off of this door because it looked really, really bad. And here comes the culprit to a lot of the messes in the house. Alright, so right here you see my cushions without their covers on. I'm actually going to be throwing those cushion covers in the wash, and I will be vacuuming this up and taking off the cushion covers of these and washing them as well, because you know they do hold a lot of germs and allergies and yeah, a whole bunch of yucky stuff. So I'm going to be washing that and vacuuming it, and it just looks so nasty. Oh. And if you guys are curious about the pile of bags and mess next to Trixie's tank, those are actually stuff I'm taking to Goodwill. So it is right there ready to be taken to donate, and yeah, I gotta get it out of the house, that's for sure. And Riley brought this to me because he wants one of the mini muffins, or 2 of the mini muffins that I made earlier this day. And yes, Trixie's tank is very dirty right now. It wasn't yesterday, but my son Sean gave her too many pellets, and it just gets like that. If you give her too much food in one day, the whole tank gets really nasty because you can't eat all of that and it just gets all over the place. And so we are actually going to be moving her into my daughter Jaden's room because she really wants her in there, and it will relieve some of the sounds of sounding like someone's peeing in the background of my videos. Some people have said that it sounds like that. So we're going to be putting it in her bedroom, and yeah, I will be able to get it all cleaned out and clean out her tank before I put it in her room. And now I'm cleaning out underneath this couch. It gets really messy because of kids' toys and kids' garbage. And yeah, there's a ton of stuff that definitely needs to get thrown out. And yes, this couch is absolutely gross. I clean this couch all the time. It is microfiber. It gets so stained up looking and dirty looking so quick and easy. So we're actually going to be getting rid of it pretty soon. But for now, we just put a big old blanket over it and call it good. And here I am, I'm disinfecting a lot of Riley's toys. I disinfected more than just these, but that would make a very long video for you guys and I don't want to bore you too much. So I got these disinfectant wipes from the Dollar Tree. They were out of the normal tub ones that they normally have there. So I got these Clorox ones. I think there's 15 wipes in each package. And yeah, I'm disinfecting these so I can take some of these over to Once Upon a Child and make some money. And then also some just because I'd like them to be clean for him. I do this probably more often than every season, but you know, because of germs and stuff like that and spills. But yeah, it gets really clean, really easy when you use these disinfectant wipes. And now moving on to my incredibly messy bathroom. So in the mornings, my daughter and I like to get ready and, you know, women's beauty stuff, we do make a mess. And yeah, so it is a really big mess and I'm just going to be tidying this up and also using some cleaning sprays that have bleach in it because I feel like spring cleaning you should do a little bit more of a deeper clean than you normally would. So I'm going to be using the Comet spray I got from the Dollar Tree that has bleach in it. It works really well.
I won't waste my love on your heart. Sorry, 'cause I can't get what I want, and I don't need you.
Alright, and now to do some laundry. I am going to wash my bathroom mats because they do get pretty germy and dingy and just plain nasty after someone uses the shower or whatnot. I'm going to be washing those now and then also washing off my scale. I think Riley spilled some of my makeup, my foundation on there. I'm going to be using this Comet with bleach in it I got from the Dollar Tree on this, and it works so well. And plus, bare feet on this all the time, I do think that it needs to be bleached every now and then. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to go over it with just water too, just because I don't want to leave a whole bunch of bleach residue on it. But I think that really helps it get nice and clean. Alright, so here are some more of my cleaning products. I'm not going to be using all of these. I'm going to be using mostly Dollar Tree products, but some Grove as well. I'm going to be using these blue gloves I got from the Dollar Tree. There's 2 different sets left in here right now. I'm going to be using one set for this area and a whole different set for the toilet. I want you guys to know that I'm not using just one pair of gloves in both areas because that's just gross. And now I'm going to be using my favorite glass cleaner. It is from Method. I do get this one from the Grove Collaborative website because it is in the scent Waterfall and I can't find it anywhere else. But you can get the regular mint scent from like Target. And as you can see here, my sink, my counters, and that Grove soap dish is absolutely disgusting. I need to clean it all up, and I'm going to be using the Comet with bleach spray that I got from the Dollar Tree.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
Now with that same Comet spray, I'm going to spray down the inside of my wastebasket that's in the bathroom because believe me, that thing gets really germy and really gross.
Meant to be expanding our abilities. If the passion
And now I'm going to be using this Clorox cleaning gel with bleach stuff inside of the toilet. I just ran out of it, so now I'm going to throw that away. And I'm going to also add in the Comet 2x bleach powder inside of the toilet just for an extra good clean. I'm going to let that sit in there for a little bit before I scrub it. And now I'm going to take my Comet with bleach spray and spray down my toilet all over the place because toilets get very, very germy and gross.
this life, wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
And here comes my daughter Jaden. She's just waiting on me to finish up because she needs to finish getting ready for school. She has to brush her teeth, so I'm going to hurry up this area real quick so she can do that. And yeah, I see a whole bunch of pennies for all over the back of my t-shirt right now. That's embarrassing. Here's my son Sean helping me wipe down the walls and the baseboards. Those get so dusty and dirty so quick. And then I'm just using this Fabuloso with hot water with my O-Cedar mop. You can get Fabuloso anywhere. You can get it from the Dollar Tree if you want. They have different scents as well, but I really love the scent. And I get the big jug of it from Winco for only $5 something. And it works really well. I do prefer using all natural products like I get from the Grove. I do have plenty of stuff from them. But sometimes I like to switch it up and use things that are not all natural. And, you know, just switching it up is sometimes fun. All right, you guys, so this is how my bathroom is looking now. It looks much better. Oh, smells much better, that's for sure. And that little spot right there is just a nick in the tile or linoleum, whatever it is, that will not come off. So until I replace the flooring. But yeah, I think it looks so much better. And another thing I like to do with my spring cleaning is definitely deep cleaning my carpets. I like to shampoo all my carpets because, I mean, I have kids, I have dogs, and hey, we are human, we make spills. So I like to definitely clean it up, and this isn't fast forward. I'm going way slower than this in real life, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get those stains up. But yeah, I really like to do this, and it really makes my house feel so much cleaner. Alright, you guys, I hope you found a lot of motivation from my video, and if you need some extra motivation, head on over to Jill's channel. It's going to be in the description box below, like I said earlier, and watch her video and find some more motivation so you can get to cleaning too. And if you just like to watch cleaning videos, more power to you. You can watch both of ours, and definitely thumbs up both of ours as well, because we worked really hard. We really did, and we deserve thumbs ups. So if you can, definitely do that and subscribe to both of us if you're not subscribed to us yet, and we would both love to have you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I want to give a great big thank you to Jill for doing this with me. She didn't have to do this with me, but she did, and I really appreciate it. I absolutely love the girl. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more to come, and we'll see you guys again later. Bye now.